Hi guys, welcome back to another Akibento unboxing. Now you might notice something different about this video. I don't look like my usual self. I'm actually in the cosplay right now because my photography class, we're doing portraits and well, my teacher just I discussed with my teacher hey, I am into cosplay. And he's like, oh, well, what if you, cosplayed for this project? I'm like, okay. And this is the most practical one I could go with. So there's that. Let's dive in. First in the box is the t-shirt. This is February's box. I forgot the theme already because I haven't been on Instagram much. So I haven't really seen it. Or if I have, it hasn't been in a while. Here is the shirt. It's epic as hell. Love it. And next in the box. The hair doesn't get in my eye. Yeah, my box came a little bean. So there are parts to this where it's a little bean. Exclusive necklace. Ooh, exciting. Oh, that looks epic. So, ooh, here is your necklace. Try to hold the chains, but here is the necklace. It is 3 swords. I can't exactly tell what sword is whose, but it's pretty awesome. Well, we got a Naruto Sasuke little dude. Ah, God, I can't see. Hold on. Let me use my flashlight from my phone. So, there he is. Ooh, that's bright. God for Velcro, right? Here he is. In his glory or whatever you want to call it. I'll probably see if one of my friends wants this because I don't like Naruto. I know, hard to believe. Woo! Okay, that's cool. I'm interested. I can't. Okay, now it's in frame. I'm not exactly sure what this is, so let's open it and check it out. Be cool if it was like one of those headband things. Oh my gosh, is it? I bet it is, because it just like unfold. Wait, this way? Oh, yeah, so. Hold up. Oh gosh, this wig. Ninja Toby. Oh god, the hair right there. It's so bad. But yeah, that's what it is. I'm pretty sure. That's cool. I like that. Let's fold it back up though. Maybe. Gotta fold it a certain way or else it's gonna look funny. But yeah, that's awesome. Next in the box. AF. I don't know what this is. Well, I can't exactly read the name of the anime, but it's pretty cool. Something samurai, and it is a keychain. Back. So there it is. Pretty cool looking. I don't know this anime, so I might see if one of my other friends wants it. An Attack on Titan air freshener. And it's of, so bright. Mikasa. Actually, one of my friend's birthday is today, and I know she likes Attack on Titan, so I might give it to her. And that's it. And here is the pen. Oh, the theme is Slash. Ooh. that is the pin. Yeah, I had no clue what the theme was because I haven't been on Instagram much. So, there's that. And I know none of these animes. Except for Attack on Titan, that's the only one. Here is the cover for it. Whoa. So you can get the necklace. Yeah, it is. This thing is a headband. Ah! I'm struggling. Sleeves are so long they get in my way. They're not long, they're just wide. 1 out of 10 Attack on Titan air fresheners or stickers. So you could have gotten an air freshener or a sticker. And then 1 out of 8 Afro Samurai keychains or pins. So you could have gotten an Afro keychain or a pin. I got the keychain. 1 of 3 Attack on Titan or Naruto figures. Well, I got Naruto. The pin and the t-shirt. And that is all for this month's box. Thank you for joining me and watching this far. If you liked it and you haven't already, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in whatever I make next. Bye-bye!